In front of me is TCL 25G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpapers, and pick the album from which you would like to choose your wallpapers. And I will go with wallpapers actually. And now you can pick either static or live wallpapers, it's up to you. You can also choose one from your own photos. I will go with static wallpaper, it can be this one. Here you can check how it will look like on both lock and home screens, and tap on done to apply it. As you can see, your home screen has been changed. So this is it, this is how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.